Hey guys, in this video I'm reviewing the Sayl gaming chair, a product that's been turning heads for its unique design and promise of ergonomic comfort. If you're someone who spends hours gaming or working and wants a chair that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, the Sayl might already be on your radar. I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this chair, from its design and build quality to its comfort and value for money. Also, the link to this chair will be included in the video description below. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Sayl gaming chair stands out from the crowd with its futuristic and almost architectural look. Designed by Yves Behr, it takes inspiration from suspension bridges, which explains the innovative backrest. Instead of the traditional solid backrest or mesh, it features an elastomer material that's both flexible and supportive. The suspension design not only gives the chair a distinctive aesthetic, but also plays a big role in how it supports your body. The chair is available in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing you to customize it to fit your setup. Whether you are going for a minimalistic look or a bold gaming room, there is likely a color combination that suits your taste. The build quality feels solid with a mix of high-quality plastics, metal components, and carefully chosen fabrics. It's a chair that looks and feels premium even before you sit down. Now let's move on to the comfort. Comfort is a key factor for any gaming chair, and the Sayl gaming chair has some unique features to offer. The standout feature is its 3D intelligent backrest. The backrest adapts to your movements and provides support where you need it most. The elastomer material stretches and flexes, allowing for a full range of motion while maintaining proper posture. Unlike some chairs that force you into a rigid sitting position, the Sayl allows for more natural movement. Another feature worth mentioning is the seat cushion. While it's not overly plush, it provides adequate support for long hours of use. The cushion is contoured to promote good posture and distribute your weight evenly, reducing pressure points. It's firm enough to offer stability, but soft enough to remain comfortable during extended gaming or work sessions. The chair also comes with adjustable features to cater to different body types and sitting preferences. The seat height is adjustable, as are the armrests. Speaking of the armrests, they are 4D adjustable, meaning you can move them up, down, forward, backward, and rotate them to match your arm position perfectly. Unlike many gaming chairs that rely on removable lumbar pillows, the Sayl incorporates built-in lumbar support that's part of the backrest design. This means you don't have to worry about readjusting a pillow or finding the right position. It's always there, providing consistent support. The lumbar tension can also be adjusted, which is a great feature for those who need extra lower back support. Now let's talk about adjustability beyond the basics. The recline mechanism is smooth and intuitive, allowing you to tilt back and lock the chair in various positions. While it doesn't recline to a near flat position like some traditional gaming chairs, it offers enough range for relaxation during breaks. The tilt tension is also adjustable, so you can customize how much resistance you feel when leaning back. By the way, prices on this chair update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Durability is another strong suit of the Sayl gaming chair. The materials used feel robust and long-lasting. The elastomer backrest, while flexible, shows no signs of sagging even after prolonged use. The base and casters are sturdy, providing a stable foundation whether you are sitting upright or leaning back. This is a chair that's clearly designed to stand the test of time. Now let's address who this chair is for. The Sayl gaming chair is ideal for those who prioritize ergonomics and design over traditional gaming chair aesthetic. If you're tired of the racing-style bucket seats and want something that looks professional enough for an office while still being comfortable for gaming, this chair fits the bill. It's also a great option for smaller spaces, as its minimalist design doesn't feel bulky or overwhelming. However, it's worth noting that this chair might not be for everyone. If you prefer a heavily cushioned seat or need a chair that reclines fully flat, you may find the Sayl lacking in those areas. It's also on the pricier side compared to many gaming chairs, which might be a consideration if you're on a budget. That said, the premium materials, innovative design, and ergonomic features justify the higher price tag for those who value quality and comfort. Let's quickly touch on the assembly process. The Sayl gaming chair comes partially assembled, and putting it together is relatively straightforward. The instructions are clear and the components are easy to handle. It should take about 20 to 30 minutes to assemble the chair, even if you are not particularly handy. Everything everything clicks into place with precision, which is always a good sign of high manufacturing standards. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the pros and cons of the Sayl gaming chair. On the plus side, you get a unique and eye-catching design, excellent ergonomic support, high-quality materials, and a compact form factor. The built-in lumbar support and 3D intelligent backrest are standout features that set the chair apart from traditional gaming chairs. On the downside, the price might be a barrier for some, and the lack of plush cushioning or extreme recline angles could be a deal breaker for those who prefer those features. So, is the Sayl gaming chair worth it? If you're looking for a chair that combines cutting-edge design with ergonomic functionality, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a chair that doesn't just look good, it feels good to sit in, even for extended periods. Whether you're gaming, working, or just relaxing, the Sayl gaming chair delivers a premium experience that's hard to match. Let me know in the comments, guys. Are you planning to pick up this chair, or are you going to stick with what you already have? So this is for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on this chair. See you in the next one.